So today I've come to talk to you all about this fantastic magic product that I've got, and this is basically this age-defying contouring mask which I've got from a company called Lujobox, and this basically I came across on a app called Woovly.com. And guess what? The best thing about it is it's completely natural, and this magical potion costs only 612 after discount. What really got me excited about this mask is that it has a Ayurvedic component which is called Shilajit, and also known as the Himalayan mountain blood. And Shilajit is basically known for its anti-aging properties. This is completely natural and is filled with Himalayan rocks and Fulvick Acid, which basically helps skin rejuvenate and revitalize. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, without a second thought, download Woovly app right now and get yourself this amazing natural product and look younger than ever before. Bye-bye. So now what you can see is the after effect of the mask, and I am in love with myself. Okay, so what you need to do is download the Woovly app and get amazing cashbacks and discounts and get hold of this product, guys. It's fantastic. Bye bye.